So hi guys, welcome to my second vlog, and in this vlog I'll be trying to make my Chrome Dinosaur game that I've been thinking about doing for a long time. And second thing, I want to check this code. So guys, I'll be working on Chrome Dinosaur today. So here you can see the sprite that I'm using, and I have cropped the particular characters that I need. So you can see here and here. I know they look a bit different from what I downloaded, because I'm trying to make a quarantine edition Chrome Dinosaur game. So this is what I have designed to be the mask to be like. So let me show you what I'm trying to do. As you can see this image, if I open this and let's maximize it, and what I need is a way to crop them. So what I can do is, if I need the cactus, I can just select this and I can crop it. So zoom it, you can see this cactus here. So that's what I'm working on right now. Let's create the game and I'll show you once when I'm done. So as you have to see this, so I was just working on my Pygame where I'm using this Chrome Dinosaur, as you can see, and for some reason this wasn't working. Let me show you what was happening. I forgot to write this line, and for the past half an hour I'm like, what the hell am I doing wrong in this game? Like, let me tell you what was wrong. If I just need to turn this off in my terminal here, and as you can see on the screen, it's completely blank at this time. And this was what happened. This was what was happening to me for the past half an hour, and I was like, what is wrong with this game? So I had to watch my own Pygame tutorial video just to see if I missed something. And then I realized that I forgot to mention this particular line, Pygame no display or update. This just is used to refresh your game for frames. You can actually, there's actually a way to implement the same method in C language. There is this clear screen which you can use to refresh your screen. Like, we actually made a Snake game, and to refresh the frame, we used clear screen, and it was just the game was totally blinking, but it worked. Like, if we press the up key and we change the position after every clear screen, it will work. So guys, if you're interested in that game, do mention in the comment section. I would love to make a video on that. But that's the update that I wanted to give you. So when I'm done with this game, I'll surely update you, and there's going to be a complete video about how to make a Chrome Dinosaur in Python Pygame. So guys, I'm working on my Pygame, as I told earlier, and I want to add motion this time, like a moment. So I'm thinking about cropping a segment of this image. Let me show you how. this work this time, guys? Will this work? Yeah, this works now. Finally, an animation. It's a bit fast, but I can actually do one thing here. I can import time. Yeah, guys, Doctor Strange was a fool. You can actually import time. What I need is clock igame dot time dot clock dot ticks 30. Let's see if it works or not. I think will this work? Clock has other ticks. Now this looks better. Just the mask is a bit weird. I can work on this, but for now it works. So as you can see on your screen, I have tried to make the jump function work, but so far it's not working. I'm trying to do the same thing as I've done in my Flappy Bird game, but as soon as I press my spacebar, what for no reason it just fall down. I want to make this road. Let me just pause it first and I'll show you what's wrong. Here you can see it's not working. So I'll be working on this for some time and let's see how far I goes. So guys, welcome to my second vlog, and this is day 2 of me recording. And yesterday I procrastinated a lot, so I couldn't get much work done, but today I am gonna make this game a bit functional. So far I have been able to build a dinosaur, add some animations and add a jump function, but the jump function don't work as I want it to. As you can see, it's a bit weird. It doesn't look like really that I can do much with this. So I'll be changing this code because it's not what I want. I mean, it's look like a parabola, like if I can just add some cactus to it, but it doesn't seems like fine to me. So I'll be changing this code and I'll keep you posted when I'm done. So guys, as you can see on your screen, I was able to perfect now this jump function. So earlier I was using the physics formula s is equal to qt plus half ad square, but there were some issues with that, so I give up on that idea and just use this simple trick. So whenever I press my space bar, I'll call this dynamic jump function. This will set my y change to -20, and then I'll increment my self.y, that is my y position of my dino, by this value, and I'll be adding 1.5 to this y change, so that after a certain point I hit a top point and then I fall back. So that's what I'm gonna go with this time. Let's see what happens in the end. So now I need to add some cactus and the bird. So when I'm finished with that, I'll update you. So So guys, welcome to my vlog, and I've just finished my Chrome Dinosaur Pi game, part 1 of that. So I thought I'd just shift to my core chef question. This is a chef and a string problem that I'll be working on. So you can just pause and read the question for yourself. And let's get back to work. So guys, this is for my blog, and if you like this blog, consider subscribing, and if you have any suggestions, do write in the comment section. I look for those, and thanks for watching.